medicine. Wow! And he also attended various medical society seminars, conferences, lectures, and missions. He is also a visiting professor in Oriental Medicine in Dongsin University in Korea, a lecturer, a professor in Oriental and Alternative Medicine Korea University Seoul. Please give him a round of applause. Right beside me, Dr. Andrew Kim. Hi, Doc. Come on, guys. Let's give a hand for Dr. Andrew Kim. Annyeonghaseyo.
Magandang hapon.
Magandang hapon.
Nice to meet you everybody and welcome to our Magnus Talk. Actually this Magnus Talk machine is the Korean brand for slow juicer and like you know our Filipino problem is eating habit. We have a very bad eating habit so much. So we have a lot of disease. You know every year 180 million people is dying with heart disease in the world. Especially in this Philippines, we died more than 100 people is dying with cardiovascular disease. And another 56,000 people is dying with stroke.
So Dr. Andrew, before you officially start, may I ask, what makes you lead to study about the Oriental medicine? The Oriental medicine, what makes you decide to study Oriental medicine?
Okay. So already I told about the reason of the disease. There are so many reasons, but if we can change our eating habit, I believe we can save our life.
Wow!
That is the only way is we can take the modern green leafy vegetable juice. That is the best way. So today I want to introduce some of the recipe. Even you can take it to your house easily. So right now I can introduce to you the Summer Festival. Our name of juice is Summer Festival. The ingredient of our Summer Festival is very simple, only 3 kinds of ingredients. Number 1 is pineapple. You know the pineapple is, there are so many pineapple in this Philippines, but everybody don't know the effect of that one. You know, the pineapple is make increase energy so much, and the syrup. We have some sakit.
Do you have some sickness, sir?
Hypertension. Okay. This is very effective to hypertension. And it can increase the immune system, but also to the man, it can make increase the sexual power. Pineapple is really very nice product, but also nice fruit, but also it can prevent inflammation. So we can put pineapple. Pineapple.
Do you want to use the mic?
Okay. And watermelon. Watermelon is wonderful fruit for cleansing kidney.
Wow!
There are so many kidney problems. Our Filipinos. So there is the kidney center we have. So we can take our watermelon well. It can prevent our kidney problem, and you can prevent the kidney diet. Has the problem of the kidney dialysis, function of kidney is decreased. If you can take this watermelon oil, it can be cured. And number 3 is turmeric. Turmeric is the very, very powerful inflammation. It reduces the inflammation, but also can make the blood circulation very frequent. But also, our Filipino, the problem is exposed to aircon so much, so our body become cold. If you touch your partner or some your friend, everybody they have a very cold. How about you? Not so. You know, many people has a very cold hand, and the body is very cold. So ironically, to Filipino in tropical weather condition, we have many cold, flu. Why? We expose to aircon so much. So we have a cold disease. So this turmeric can make warm our body temperature. So can recover our blood circulation problem. That is we call the what summer festival. This recipe summer festival. You remember what three of this ingredient?
Yes, so gonna vary your mic. Yes, the first. Hello. Yes, the first ingredient is pineapple, and according to our Dr. Kim, the pineapple it is good for the hypertension and the sexual thingy, and then the watermelon it is good for our kidney, and of course the turmeric, if you have cold hands, it will help you to warm your cold hands. Am I right, doctor?
And like the breast cancer, to our women now breast cancer is very the big disease. Our Filipino woman got sick with breast cancer, the #1 country in this Asia. But this pineapple can prevent our breast cancer. So if you take do you want to prevent our breast cancer, you can take the pineapple well. And but also it can prevent the mouth cancer and throat cancer. So that is the very effective to anti-cancer. Pineapple is. Okay, are you ready? So you can taste this summer festival. 3 ingredients, very simple. You remember, #1 is pineapple, #2 watermelon, and #3 turmeric. That is our summer festival. It can make strong your energy and vigor and vitality. It will enhance. So let's try this summer festival. I will introduce another recipe too, so you can try. Our Metal Stone is Korean brand. Already our company import this one for 13 years, Chris? 15 years. For 15 years is the steady selling product. This one is really, we can tell this is one of the lifesaver. Don't take another medication. You can try to take this juice through our Metal Stone. It's one of the best product in Korea. So for long term, we are selling this product. Let's try the juice. Summer festival. How about the taste?
How about the taste? Is it good, guys? Can you feel the summer festival, the energy? Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah.
Vitality, energy, immune system can prevent. And next recipe.
All right. What will be the next? So the summer festival. So if you're feeling tired, you're feeling sick, all you need to do is to drink the summer festival. Just a short recap. It's pineapple, watermelon, and turmeric. So I am excited for the next drink that you will make.
Called the Green Energizer. Green Energizer. #1 is basil. You know basil. Basil is can make the frequent blood circulation and increase the memory, and it can make make better our eyesight. Become old, our eyesight become decreased. If you take basil, it can increase our eyesight, but also immune system it will be increased. #2 is malunggay.
Wow, malunggay! Nice!
If you don't know malunggay, you are not Filipino. So, but malunggay is we use actually stalk of malunggay is the best, not the leaf. Of course, we can use the leaf with tea, but this the more than effective part is stalk. Stalk of malunggay. You can put stalk and leaf together, malunggay. This malunggay there are so many effects. It can, the headache, migraine, and anti-cancer, make you good to sleep and remove the headache, many disease. And do you know, banana involves the potassium so much, diba? But this malunggay times 4 potassium than banana. So you take this malunggay, there are so many potassium. So it can make the regulate your high blood pressure. It's very effective. So malunggay is really is treasure of our Philippines. We can take this one. Now you know the many Korean already knows the effect of this malunggay, so they import this malunggay leaf and stock to Korea so much. So every Korean now bring so many malunggay from Philippines, but Filipino they ignore the effect of this one. So from today you can try to take malunggay so much. And another one is pineapple again.
Wow.
Diba? Pineapple is really very nice fruit. For number one is prevent breast cancer. Breast cancer, you can take that one, and it can make energizer so much and prevent inflammation. Pineapple is very wonderful fruit. And last one is ginger. Ginger. Ginger can make the blood circulation increase and prevent the cold and the flu. Many inflammation, it can disappear through ginger. Like we are taking after flu, salabat juice. Diba salabat juice? That's why the reason of that one. And it can prevent ovarian cancer. The ginger is the best preventer of ovarian cancer and myoma. Diba myoma? Very effective. You can take this. And the pulmonary disease, the respiratory disease is very effective. This one. Then 4 kind of ingredients, green energizer. You can try this green energizer.
So, just a short recap, we will have basil, malunggay, pineapple, and ginger. And as what you're talking, sir, all of this, we can have it in our very own backyard, the basil and malunggay. So even in the market, we can buy the ginger, at the same time the pineapple. So it is easy to find here in the Philippines, right?
That's why. So, it's very hard to take in your house, but with this mat stone or our prepare juicer, you can make it easily and you can take it. So that is for the vitality. But I will introduce to you about the Super C juice.
Wow!
Super C juice can make the vitamin C to you. So the number one. There are plenty of vitamins involved. The fruit is fruit or is calamansi.
Wow!
The calamansi is the most common in our Philippines. So this calamansi, plenty of vitamin C and the amazing is calamansi can make lose weight.
Wow!
You take calamansi, it can make lose weight. And calamansi is make strong your teeth and bone. Like the calamansi and the malunga is very common the plant or fruit, but it's very effective to prevent our disease and our health. And the calamansi can prevent cold and flu. This is too, same as like malunggay and ginger. And number 2 is pineapple. Pineapple is always there is. Pineapple can make sweet the juice, but also it has a very good effect of immune booster, but also a lot of vitamin C too. And number 3 is cucumber. Cucumber is plenty of vitamin C, vitamin A and vitamin B and vitamin C, but also kidney stone. Many people have some kidney stone or bladder stone. Is very effective to remove that one. Okay, so that 3 is super C juice. If you take this one, it can make provide the vitamin C a lot.
So you know what? I like what you've told us, Doctor. One of the revelation that I had when you told us that the calamansi juice is good for you to reduce your fat. So you can be loosen up your fat with calamansi juice. Am I right? Yes, and you know, guys, don't be shy. You can come forward. You can feel free to come forward to check how our products works. At the same time, have a taste of our Super C juice. As of the moment, Dr. Kim already shared 3 juices. Are you going to share another juice, sir?
Yes, yes. Okay. You know, there are last one. This is really we can tell this one is immune enhancer. Immune enhancer. If you have the weak body, so you can take this one. Number 1, always there is pineapple. Pineapple is really very wonderful fruit. And number 2, squashy. Squashy. Yeah. Squashy is a lot of vitamin C, and you know, the 2 old women, squashy can prevent the osteoporosis. Very nice for prevent osteoporosis. And the heart attack and stroke patient is very effective. So you can take the squashy, and there are plenty of magnesium too. And last one is malunggay. Malunggay. So the pineapple and squashy and malunggay, it can enhance your immune system so far.
So that is nice. So almost all of the ingredients that Andrew Kim told us, it is easily can be found in the market, sometimes at your very own backyard. So Super C, what's that, sir? The strength and immunity. So if you're feeling that you will have a flu, I think this will be the best juice for you to drink.
Yes, dearly. So already I introduced to you the 4 kind of juice recipe today. You can try that one. But also, if you want to know about the recipe of juice, you can visit the website, or you can call to our company. So our company will introduce to you about the green leafy vegetable juice and how can increase your health and prevent your immune system. So thank you so much. And you tried, even now you tried our juice and look for our product.
Thank you so much, Dr. Andrew Kim. So feel free to visit our booth here. You can check our machines. And guess what? I have a wonderful offer for all of you. Since today is Wolfix Day, you will get our Mastone Juicer for 11,500. You will have a saving of 2,500 pesos. So Dr. Andrew Kim, it is a pleasure